Benefits of fennel seeds water at night. Fennel seeds, scientifically known as Phoenicum vulgare, has been treasured for their culinary and medicinal properties for centuries. Among the various ways to incorporate fennel into one's routine, preparing fennel seeds water before bedtime has gained popularity for its potential health benefits. This aromatic herb native to the Mediterranean region not only adds a unique flavor to dishes but also serves as a natural remedy for various ailments. Let's explore into the list of benefits associated with consuming fennel seeds water at night. The nutritional profile of fennel seeds. Dried fennel seeds are a storehouse of various nutrients with low calories and high in different micro and macronutrients. When it comes to exploring the health benefits of fennel seeds, they are minerally rich in vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin K, minerals, calcium, magnesium, zinc, potassium, selenium, and iron, antioxidants such as polyphenols, fiber, organic compounds like anethol. Fennel seeds are a rich source of dietary fiber. Fennel seeds are low in calories. Fennel seeds are a good source of vitamin C. Fennel seeds contain significant amount of iron. Fennel seed extract has an anti-inflammatory effects and protects against injury. Health benefits of fennel seeds. Combats bad breath. It contains specific aromatic essential oil that possesses antibacterial properties that help to freshen your breath. The sweet fennel seeds increase the secretion of saliva, which helps to kill harmful bacteria. Improves digestive health. Fennel seeds contain anethol that acts as antispasmodic and anti-inflammatory. They work wonderfully for constipation, indigestion, and bloating. Helps to regulate blood pressure. Fennel seeds are rich in potassium that regulates the fluid amount in the bloodstream. It helps to control your heart rate and blood pressure. As per the published study, fennel seeds increase the level of nitrite in the saliva. Nitrite is a natural element that keeps a check on blood pressure levels. Reduces asthma and other respiratory ailments. The high number of phytonutrients present in the fennel seeds help to clear sinuses. These tiny seeds offer bronchial relaxation that helps to reduce symptoms of asthma, bronchitis, and congestion. Promotes lactation. Anethol present in fennel seeds stimulates the substance that promote lactation to increase milk secretion. Many studies suggest that anethol mimics the action of estrogen hormone and promotes lactation. Improves skin appearance. Fennel extract works miraculously for the skin by protecting it from free radical damage and improving skin cell longevity. They are abundant in minerals such as potassium, selenium, and zinc. These minerals are crucial for balancing hormones while maintaining the oxygen balance in your bloodstream. They are widely used to treat different skin ailments like acne, rashes, and dryness. Purifies blood. The essential oil and fibers in fennel seeds not only assist in purifying your blood but also contribute to flushing out toxic compounds out of your body. Keeps cancer at bay. Many studies suggest that fennel seeds have anti-cancerous properties. They have powerful antioxidant properties that neutralize free radicals and beat oxidative stress. It may be the reason that prevents the development of cancer. Helps to improve eyesight. It contains vitamin A that is essential vitamin for the eyes. Earlier, fennel seed extract was useful to treat glaucoma. Promotes weight loss. Fennel seeds are rich in fiber and may aid in weight loss and keep hunger pangs at bay. They work as diuretics and improve metabolism. Consuming fennel seeds daily with a balanced diet and workout helps you shed extra pounds quickly. By helping you stay full for longer due to high fiber, fennel seeds are also considered appetite suppressants. They may also improve your weight loss goals and make it easier to avoid overeating. Reduces gas and acidity. Due to its excellent digestive properties as well as the fact that it is antimicrobial, fennel seeds are thought to aid in reducing gas and acidity. By improving digestive movement, these seeds allows easy passage of bowels without excessive gas buildup. And with its antimicrobial effect mainly from the anethol and organic compounds in the seed, it prevents bacteria from growing and releasing gases in the first place. Diuretic properties. Fennel seeds have diuretic properties, which means they can help increase urine production and promote kidney function. By drinking fennel seed water before bed, you can help your body eliminate toxin and excess water, reducing the risk of water retention and bloating. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals who struggle with edema or swollen ankles. Sleep inducer. Fennel seeds also have sleep enhancing properties. They contain certain compounds that have a calming effect on the central nervous system, helping to promote relaxation and improve the quality of sleep. By drinking fennel seed water at night, you can potentially experience a more restful sleep, waking up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Antioxidant properties. Fennel seeds are rich in antioxidants which help protect the body against damaging effects of free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause oxidative stress and contribute to the development of chronic diseases. The tiny and aromatic fennel seeds come with rich nutrients including vitamin C, vitamin A, antioxidant, minerals, and fiber. A tablespoon of fennel seeds daily can reduce your numerous problems. Though research is lacking to prove some health benefits of fennel seeds, they may boost your health positively. Conclusion. Incorporating fennel seeds water into your nightly routine offers a range of potential health benefits, from aiding digestion and promoting relaxation to providing antioxidant and anti-inflammatory support. However, it's essential to remember that individual responses may vary, and consulting with healthcare professionals before making significant changes to your diet is advisable, especially for those with existing medical condition or allergies. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll continue to bring you valuable insights and tips to help a happier and healthier life. Take care of yourself and see you next time on Sharjah Health Matters.